Welcome to MECK Pre-K, where mathematical and scientific thinking come to life through hands-on exploration. Hi, I'm Mary Margaret Cantor, Chief Early Education Officer at Smart Start. Guided by our professional teachers using a high-quality curriculum, children actively investigate the world around them. Building with blocks and wheels helps children understand structure, balance, and engineering concepts. Exploring materials like textiles teaches problem solving and pattern recognition. Outdoor science activities encourage observation, experimentation, and inquiry-based learning. Counting, measuring, and sorting develop a strong foundation for mathematical reasoning. By engaging in these interactive experiences, children build problem-solving skills, confidence, and a love of discovery. MECK Pre-K is a high-quality pre-K program available to 4-year-old children in Mecklenburg County and no cost to families. Apply today at meckprek.org.